What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to review the 4-in-1 charging dock for PlayStation 4. It can charge two DualShock 4 controllers and two Move controllers at the same time. I have two DualShock 4 controllers, and I also have two Move controllers. It's a struggle to keep these charged because there's only two USB ports on the PS4, and one of them is always tied up because it's connected to the VR. So it was clear that I was in need of a charging system, and I didn't want any cheap junk, so I purchased the official PlayStation charging station for the two DualShock 4 controllers. And next I needed a charger for the two motion controllers, so I planned on purchasing the official PlayStation charger for the two motion controllers. But then I found that for less than the cost of just the motion controller charger, I could get a charger that charged everything, both DualShock 4s and the two motion controllers. In addition, it only had one USB port required to plug the whole system in. This eliminated my problem with only having one USB port available on my PS4, because with two chargers, I would still have some problems. And this 4-in-1 charger also has three USB ports on the front. Even though my initial thought was to get the official PlayStation chargers and not cheap junk, I couldn't pass this up, so I bought it. Let's check it out. Here it is. It's small and compact and doesn't take a lot of room. There's the one cord to plug it in. 5 volts, 2 amps, made in China, just like the official PlayStation chargers. And one USB. I'm going to plug it in right now. With it plugged in, each controller is illuminated on the front. When it's green, they're fully charged, and when it's red, they're still charging. Here's the motion controller. There's the two prongs for charging, and inside, there's the contacts. It just sits right on top. The motion controllers also have a strap, and the charger nicely has a little molded out area for the strap to fit in. It sits right in, nice and easy. Just put the strap in the slot. Let's put the next one in too. There's plenty of room, and it's also compact. So far, it's all good, and no complaints. Let's bring in the DualShock 4 controller. The DualShock 4 controller charges with the port on the bottom of the controller. There's a round peg on the charging station, which mates up with the round hole on the charger. Then on the station, the contacts go into the slot on the bottom of the remote. This is where it charges. It goes in pretty nice. You might need to take a look and make sure that hole's lined up with the peg. But it goes on nice, no complaints. It's made to fit it. Now that we've seen how both controllers seat into the charger, let's get everything in here. Here's the second DualShock 4 controller. Just line up the hole with the peg, and it slides right on. Then we'll bring in the motion controller. Line up the strap with the slot, and just set it in. Easy. Here's kind of an all-around view of everything. I'll spin it all around, so we can see it from all angles. There's the back, the straps in the slots. The controllers fit really nice. It's nice and compact. Doesn't take up much space at all. And it works. It charges controllers. I've only been using it for about 2 weeks, so I can't speak to the longevity of it. But it works. Here's the 3 extra USB ports, and the indications of charging. Only one is red, because that one's not fully charged. The rest, they're fully charged, so they're green. So to wrap up, for $12.99, I would recommend this. It's small and compact, and it works and it looks good, and it offers 3 additional USB charging ports for convenience. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments, just leave them below. Please give the video a like and subscribe. I'm making a new video at least once a week. I'll see you in the next video.